Hi guys, welcome to Physioverse, and today we are going to have the first quiz of Physioverse, um, and we have with us. Okay, this is Ria, as you all know.
Hey guys.
And we have Neha and Shreya with us. I don't know where their video is, but yeah, they are there. So basically, it's going
Yeah.
to be a very, very,
Start
very
with
simple quiz.
Okay, hi guys. This is Shreya, and I'm currently studying fourth year of physiotherapy.
okay.
Oh, that's great.
I guess
Okay,
Neha can
Neha,
introduce.
Hi
I
everybody,
guess Neha.
I'm Neha. I recently completed my post-graduation in musculoskeletal physiotherapy, the elective being manual therapy from Manipal College of Allied Health Sciences.
Okay. So there are probably 10 questions in the quiz. So it's like we'll start with one of you and we'll ask you the question and you can answer. And every question will have about 10 points. So there are a lot of parts of the quiz that you can answer. So if you answer half of it, a bit of it, then you get about 5. If you answer the complete one, you'll get 10 points. And if you don't answer it at all and the other person answers, then the other person gets 10 points and they can answer their next question also. And if you answer half of it, you get half. And if they answer half of it, they get half points. So we'll keep on going forward like that. Okay.
Okay, and there is no first person. We'll just go turn by turn because we cannot actually know who answered first on Zoom.
Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. The first question can be like that. We'll just ask the question and whoever can answer will answer. And then the next question will be to.
Okay, so the first question to Neha is
What is
Neha, what is
Faber's
Faber's test?
flexion, abduction, external rotation test? It is one of the tests to. It is a test done at the hip joint, and
Yes.
it is to rule out conditions of the hip.
Yes,
Wait a
that's correct.
second. So it is done. It is done to attempt. It is done in an attempt to reproduce pain in the hip region, and it is a passive screening test. Also, a positive test occurs when the patient has groin pain or buttock pain, and
Okay.
Yeah, this is
yes,
pretty much what we wanted to know.
Yeah, I think this was
okay,
the easiest question for a ortho
Yeah.
PG.
Yeah,
yes.
true.
Sorry, did I mess it up?
No, no, no,
No,
no.
you told
Perfect.
more than our answer actually.
Yeah, we are not
Okay,
expecting so much detail. It's quite
okay,
genuine.
okay. So
Okay, Faber's
Yeah.
test is Neha, you're absolutely right, and you get 10 points.
thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so Faber's test for everyone is also known as Patrick's test. It stands for, as Neha said, flexion, abduction, and external rotation, used for assessing pathologies of the hip joint. Okay, so next question to Shreya.
Yeah.
Okay, this is how the Faber's test is done. Also, when they say the figure of 4 pattern, and then you press down. Shreya, what is Gover's sign?
I don't know.
Uh,
Okay.
It,
It does it. Does the it? Am I supposed to
Yeah,
answer?
it passes to you. Yes.
Okay.
it,
So
uh, we can
it is a
do a
classic.
random guess, I guess.
Okay, fine.
Okay, Shreya, do you want to guess at least anything? Which population do you do it? Anything of that sort?
um, actually, I don't remember anything because
Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, okay,
Okay.
no problem. Yeah, no problem. Neha can go for it.
It's basically a classical sign which is seen in usually in pediatric patients with Duchenne's muscular dystrophy. It's a sign of proximal hip muscle weakness. Also, it is seen in patients with lumbar instability. Yes. So it's basically Gower sign is equal to, it's mostly seen in children with DMD, which is Duchenne's muscular dystrophy.
Okay, absolutely right. Okay, it's seen in DMD, and it is when the patient climbs up and walks up using their thighs or the aids of their hand. They basically go into the four on all fours, then take the knee support and then get up, because they, as Neha said, the proximal or the pelvic muscles are weak. Yeah. So the next, so Neha gets how many points? 5, 10 again?
No, 10. She answered the entire question, so she gets 10.
Okay. So the next question to Neha.
Okay.
Yeah, it goes to Neha only.
Yeah, okay. Okay, this is how the DMD ka, sorry, the Gower sign ka pattern is. So the child goes on all fours, then takes knee supports and then gets up. Okay, Neha. Neha, what are 3 different types of sampling?
Three different types. Purposive sampling.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay. 1 second. Purposive sampling. I'm not able to recollect. Okay.
What did you use in your, okay, you use purposive sampling in your thesis.
Stratified sampling, simple sampling, and
Okay.
cluster sampling.
Yeah, done.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay, there are different types of sampling methods used for sampling. Okay, for studies and research. So these are different types of sampling, of which Neha told 3. So you get 10 more points.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know what panel sampling is. There's panel sampling. Judgment sampling, I didn't know.
Yeah, there's judgment also.
Okay, cool. Next question to Shreya.
There.
Shreya, what is tetralogy of Fallot?
Oh, yeah, this is a congenital heart disease.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
where there is a blue color discoloration.
Okay.
Yeah, and there are like four signs. There is a ventricular septal defect.
Yes.
Then there is a overriding of aorta.
Yes.
There is a atrial hypertrophy.
Which hypertrophy?
Sorry. Right ventricular hypertrophy.
Correct.
Yeah. Then pulmonary stenosis.
Correct. Perfect.
Yeah.
Absolutely right.
Yeah. Bang on.
Yeah, I didn't know all those 4 things actually.
Okay.
Oh, because we are studying cardio this sem, no? So I know.
Oh, nice. Playing your advantages, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, moving on. What are the points now? This is Neha at 30 and
Neha
Shreya
is at 30 and Shreya is at 10.
Okay, cool. Okay, the next question to Neha.
Yeah, Neha.
Neha, what is upper cross syndrome?
Totally in her ballpark.
Upper cross syndrome, it's commonly seen in patients who sit with a slouch posture. So there is a tightness in two group of muscles, tightness in two set of muscles, and weakness in the other set of muscles. So the muscles which become tight are the pectorals, which are shortened, and the overactive muscles. The muscles which undergo weakness are lower trapezius. Wait, across. Yes. Yes.
Okay, pectorals and
Okay.
Pectorals and wait. Which okay.
Upper or lower?
trapezius is right. Which one?
Uh, upper trapezius and pectorals are tight. Lower trapezius
Yes.
is weak. And
Okay.
yes.
So
Yes.
absolutely right. There's a tightness of pectorals and trapezius along with weakness of neck flexors and lower trapezius.
Lower trapezius.
Yeah, there is one
There's a
disclaimer. We did
picture.
not consult Neha before making this quiz. It is just coincidence, and she is very smart.
Yeah,
No.
yeah,
Okay, Neha, you're absolutely right.
correct. Full 10 points.
Yeah, we'll go to the next question. Okay, this is what
Yeah.
upper cross syndrome is.
Across.
There is weakness of neck flexors and lower traps with tightness of upper trapezius and pectoral. So it is mostly seen in slouch patients. So please sit straight.
Yeah. Just a reminder to
Okay.
everyone
Going.
watching this. It's
Yeah, please sit straight and watch our quiz. Okay, next question to Shreya.
Yeah.
Shreya, what is Homan's sign?
Like this is the sign to check the deep vein thrombosis.
yes, correct.
Right?
Okay.
Like when you do the dorsiflexion, they'll feel the pain in calf muscles. So this is positive for
Correct.
woman sign for this.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, absolutely.
Correct.
So it
Yeah.
is used for diagnosing DVT, squeezing the calf or dorsiflexion. There is a sharp pain present in the calf muscle. That is the indication of positive DVT.
Yeah.
Good. Good,
Dorsiflexion
very good.
of the calf. Right, correct.
Okay, next question to Neha again.
Yeah.
Neha, what
Yeah,
are the
this-
warning signs of stroke?
OMG.
So this indicates
Come on.
you've not seen our video.
Yeah, you should watch our podcast. You would know this.
Yeah, also our lecture.
I'll try.
Yeah, tell.
Okay. Sudden trouble walking, dizziness, loss of balance, confusion, maybe
Okay.
numbness or weakness in the face, arm,
Okay.
speech difficulty,
Yeah.
headache.
Okay.
Hmm.
Almost. There's that, there's that,
Like a
what is it
mnemonic
called?
for it.
Yeah, mnemonic or a acronym it's called for the warning signs of stroke. Do you know what it is called?
Sorry, no, I'm not aware.
Okay.
I know.
So you
I'm
almost
aware
there.
of fast, face,
Yeah.
arm, speech time, something.
Okay. Correct. Okay.
Who was
But I'm
this?
sure
I
I'm not
didn't understand
covered.
only.
No, it was Neha only. There are two
Was
more
it Neha?
components to it.
Was it Neha or was it Shreya? I did not understand.
No, Neha.
No, it was me.
Yeah, Neha.
Yeah. Fast is yes.
Correct.
Face, arm, speech, and time. But I'm not
Okay.
really sure what components are allotted to
No,
each
face,
of them.
arm, speech, and time is right.
Can Shreya? Yeah, can Shreya
Yeah.
elaborate if she knows?
Yeah. Be fast.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, absolutely right.
Yeah.
Be fast.
When yeah.
Okay. So,
What is B and D?
B is for balance.
Okay.
E is for eyes. Like,
yeah,
Okay.
vision.
yeah, vision. Then F is for face. There is a asymmetry in face.
Yes.
Then they feel weakness in arms and legs.
Correct. Yeah. So,
yes.
speech.
Yeah, yes, yeah, they have slurred speech. Then type.
Correct. Perfect. So I guess we can divide these points.
Yeah,
Yes.
5 to Neha and 5 to Shreya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, great. So the warning signs of stroke are how do you spot a stroke? Please go watch our podcast, everyone who hasn't seen. We have explained really well what
Who is
BFAST
not
is and how
able
you
to
can
answer
use it.
this question?
Yes, yes. Then
Okay.
first thing I will do after this quiz is uh, go back and watch your podcast.
Yeah, the stroke lecture video.
Yes, sure, sure.
Yeah, the
Okay.
lecture series.
Okay. Going to the next question to
Okay.
Shreya. Okay.
Yeah.
Shreya, what is ACBT? How is this only ortho and cardio? And both of these people are one is ortho and one is cardio.
Yeah. Yeah, even I'm getting only the cardio questions and
Yeah.
PhD is getting
I think
only
only
the
stroke
food
was some
questions.
other thing. Yeah, this is not a fixed quiz, everyone.
Yeah.
This is just pure coincidence.
Okay. So ACBT is for mainly done in the case of the patient who has treatment. So there are three cycles. First one is
Yeah.
normal breathing or controlled breathing. Then there is a thoracic expansion
Okay.
exercise and forced
Okay.
expiratory techniques where they huff or cough.
Okay. And what is? Can you elaborate? Can you give us the full form?
Yeah, it's an active cycle of breathing technique.
Okay.
So
Absolutely right.
with the patient will take. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. You can talk. You can talk. Explain if you want.
No, it's fine.
Okay. So it is active cycle of breathing technique performed for patients who have difficulty in breathing. These are the three phases as Shreya explained.
Yeah. This is
Shreya,
for
10
making it
points.
easier for them to expectorate secretions and
Yeah.
everything.
So how many points are we at? I think we have only one or two more
Neha is
questions
at
left.
45. Yeah.
Okay.
And Shreya is at 35. So not far behind. Neha is at
Oh my
45.
god.
Shreya
Okay.
is at 35.
Okay. I think we have one or two questions more. Okay. To Neha. Neha, what is diastasis recti?
Diastasis recti, it is usually seen in it's commonly seen in women who
Okay.
like after pregnancy. So it is
Okay.
it's sort of a separation of the rectus abdominis muscles,
Okay.
and it's
Correct.
usually huh.
Okay. So it is
And
the separation of the rectus abdominis, as
rectus
Neha said.
abdominis.
Yeah. Commonly seen in post-pregnancy, but can also be seen
Huh.
in men and children. But that is
Huh.
uncommon.
Uncommon, yes.
Yeah, most common
Yeah.
women.
Okay.
Nice.
So how many questions did you do? 5 and 5, right? I think this was the last question.
Yeah.
Is this the last question?
This was?
No. No. Yeah. Shreya.
No.
No. I think there are two more questions left.
Yeah.
Shreya, what is Miller-Fisher syndrome?
It's a type of nerve disease, like
Yeah.
nerve
Yes.
problem.
Yes.
Yes.
Like it comes under Guillain-Barré syndrome.
Yeah. It's a
Yeah.
variant of.
Yeah. Very right.
Yeah. Shreya, if you
Okay.
could just mention the triad, if it has a triad, if at all you can mention that.
I don't know, like
Okay.
triad.
Okay.
Neha, do you know the triad?
Oh, sorry.
Absent tendon reflexes, difficulty
Yeah.
in moving the eyes, and incoordination.
Correct. Perfect.
Okay. So again, we are sharing
5.
points. Okay. So as Shreya said, it is a neurological condition which affects the nerves at peripheral neuropathy. It's a variant of GBS. and it has a triad which includes areflexia, ataxia, and ophthalmoplegia.
Thermoplastic.
Difficult word, yeah? Ophthalmoplegia.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay, going to the next question. I think the next question is the last question.
Okay.
Okay, so we are at what? 40 and 50.
Yeah.
And the next question is to Neha. Is there a next question?
No,
No.
I don't think so. There-
Okay, guys. Okay, guys, this was the last question.
did they get equal chances? But
Yeah,
think,
they
right?
got equal chances. Yeah, there are 10
Yes.
questions and 5 and 5.
Yes, yes.
Are you
Okay.
with a very less
Those-
margin?
Yeah.
With a very less
Neha
margin,
has.
we have our winner.
Hello.
Okay, we'll come back on
Yeah.
screen. Hello.
Huh.
So we have a winner for the first quiz of Physioverse. Neha Pai, congratulations.
Yay.
Thank you very much, and
is
thank
such
you
a
for
Yeah.
having questions which were like answerable questions, and thank you for having this quiz. I mean, it was a very good boost, a memory boost sort of a thing. So
Yeah,
after a
you guys are
long
very smart.
time.
Very
So
smart.
no, the questions were easy. Easy as in yes, good questions, answerable
We'll come.
questions.
Yeah, we'll come with
Thank you
tougher
very
questions
much.
next time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Sure,
Shreya,
thank
you
you.
did
Yes,
Shreya, you
yes.
did
Amazing.
really well.
Yes. I would. I want to appreciate Shreya
Yeah,
because there were some questions which she answered, which I was not really. I couldn't recollect. So
Yeah.
a very good job by her.
Amazing, actually. It is such a close competition. Very well played, Shreya.
Yes.
yeah. So ending the quiz,
Thank
Yes.
congratulations.
Very
you.
well played.
Thank you both of you for joining us.
Thank
How
you
are you
so
guys
much.
feeling?
Yeah.
Was it good? Do you want to suggest something that we can do next time?
Yeah. Did you all enjoy it?
Yes. As I
Yeah.
mentioned, it was a very good, sort of a
Yeah.
memory boost kind of a thing, and it was great. Like enjoyed. Please please
Thanks.
keep more
More quizzes.
such quizzes in the future.
Yeah.
Would love to be a part of
Maybe
it.
we'll keep next quizzes and then we'll put you against the other winners.
Yeah.
Yes. Maybe. Yeah. A good,
So
yes,
you
a good
have some
suggestion.
Maybe we can have a
semi-finals,
bigger crowd
finals and
also.
all.
5,
Yes.
6
Yeah.
people listen.
Huh.
Yeah, we will try.
And a very great
Okay, cool.
initiative by Physioverse.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Physioverse.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Wait. I have to
Yeah.
ask you all very important questions that we ask everyone. Neha especially. What are you watching right now? What do you recommend other people to watch?
I recently binge watched Scrubs. It's a very old
Oh,
show.
yeah. Scrubs is good.
So, yes, so I recently finished that, and apart from that, I haven't started watching anything new. Uh, so I'm not really aware, but Netflix and Netflix basically. Anything
Yeah.
you can suggest, please add on.
Yeah. Please watch
Both
Lupin.
of you.
Watch Lupin on
There's
Netflix.
this
Is
one
really good.
series called Schitt's Creek.
Shit's Creek.
Yeah, Lupin is good.
Yeah.
Even Schitt's Creek
Lupin
is
and
really
Peaky
good.
Blinders is really nice.
Peaky Blinders. Yeah. Netflix.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you
Thank you
for
so much.
participating. It wouldn't have been possible without you all.